So hello everyone. And welcome again. This is my Karizma Xmr 210. Today I am going to show you how to open the battery compartment to access the battery. It is a very big confusion. I have seen people struggling with it. So today I will show you how to do it in an easy way. Don't use any sharp object or any screwdriver to open this battery compartment. If you use any sharp object in this compartment like this to open it, then you might uh, break it. First, you need this 6 mm Allen key, which is present in your toolkit. It has got hole on both ends. It's a special Allen key because the screw on the battery box is an anti-theft kind of screw, which has got this pinch on the center. So open this screw. I have already loosened it. Once you have removed this screw, just keep it somewhere safe. Now you have to push this compartment, this cover downwards. You don't have to do this like this, or you don't have to put anything here. Just use your palms, both your palms, place it like here, and yes, just give it a jerk. Just press it and give it a jerk, and it will slide open. Once it slides open, then just carefully lift it from the front. Now it is off. You don't need any screwdriver or any sharp object to open it. So once you have removed the cover, you can easily access your battery. You just have to remove this rubber strap first. It is very easy. There is just a clamp. Just pull it and take it off. And then here is your positive terminal and here is your negative terminal. When you are removing the battery from the motorcycle, always remember to remove the negative terminal first and then the positive terminal. And while you are fixing it back, then the positive terminal will connect first and the negative will later. This is done to avoid any earthing or any shorts. Then it is very easy to take the battery off once you are done with it, once you remove the cover. So now you have to put the cover back. Just simply place it like this. I'll show you one thing. You have these two clamps here which sits under these two grooves. You just have to push it in like this. Just make sure that it is seated here, and then you just have to press it. From the front you have to knock it. Just make sure that these two clamps sit properly, then just knock it from the front. The front two will sit once you knock it in. Then just tighten this clamp, tighten this screw back using this 6 mm Allen key with the hole in its stand. This screw is a special screw. It has got a pinch in the center so that no one can open it with a regular Allen key. It is made like this to prevent theft. So this is a very easy process. This is how you access your battery on the Hero Karizma Xmr. I have seen people struggling with opening this cover. Even I have seen the service center guys struggling with this process. So this is how it is done. Never let anyone to use any screwdriver or anything sharp to open this cover. If you use any screwdriver or anything sharp, then you might crack it because it is plastic. Thanks guys, and